Hello, welcome to ACTouch Technologies. As a part of the enhancement in our product release, we are releasing a new functionality to manage the projects. One of the requests came from many existing customers and the future prospects. How do I manage my projects? Projects are traditionally an independent block of the project, specifically executed for the individual sales. The problem in the project management in the manufacturing company is entirely different from the regular software company side. Here we have a sales, we have a purchase, we have a issuance of material to a specific project. So along with that, you need to capture what is the consumption of the material plus payment happened or not, advance paid. So there are about 7 to 8 modules are integrated to manage a project. When you consider the purchase side or the sales side of a business within the manufacturing industry. So what we did, we developed the new module for a project management. It's a pretty simple, which is integrated across all the modules. First, you have an option to go and define a different project groups. Groups are basically to handle the like a particular customer. Under that, you will have a multiple projects. So you start with these two components. Once it is done, the very simple way is the rest of the transactions are same as before. The where you create a purchase order, you create a GRN, you create an invoice, everything is same as it is. What you need to do is once you enable the project, particular sales order when you take, you go and select the project or the project against which you are doing the sales order, right? This is what you have to do. Each project has a timeline, it has a start and end date, or it has a clearly defined what is the budget, everything. Okay. So once the projects are done or the transactions you do as per regular, so this is the dashboard you are going to get now on. One of the focus we did in our dashboard is say I take it for a particular customer or the particular project and what project we are doing for a date range say about 10 days. So for this date range, these are the purchase order created here. All the status open, close, and you can see, and what are the receipt you have done for against this particular project. So whatever the data you are seeing for a particular project, any sales order created or invoices or payment, receipt, anything is there, all the data you see at one place. Along with that, what we have built in the project is the maker checker approvals, right? One of the earlier design we had was you're supposed to go to the separate menu for a maker checker approval. Now those are changed. And for a particular project, if you have any document to be approved, it is still this particular purchase order is created, it's pending for approval. You click on the approval, system says who is approving what data, and you say approved and just say approved, that's all. Okay, once the data is approved and click the data, the document is disappears from the list. Same thing comes for the side of a sales order side or any invoices, any payment or receipt to be approved. We have a complete integration. Now onwards, if you have any specific projects, you want to track the what are the purchase you did, sales you did, or the invoices you did, everything you can see in the one dashboard. This is the new enhancement we did for our customers, which is coming part of our standard product. For any issue, you can call us or take the data or discuss with us. Thanks a lot.